Hi, the child lock on my Bosch Avantixx washer dryer has been accidentally enabled and is now stuck on. Pressing and holding does not rectify. Any ideas? Thanks. Model node WVD24460GB/05. Digital display showing 1 minute still to go. Have also tried turning off and on at mains. No difference.
Hiya. To take child lock off, you must have the machine on the program it was on when child lock was set. If you can't remember the program, just try them all in turn. Turn to the program. Press and hold the start button until the child lock comes off. You'll then be able to use the machine again. Try it out, let me know how it goes or if it doesn't work. Hope this helps, thanks. Hiya, sorry, there's an error in my previous post. You press and hold the finish in button, the one with the clock symbol, not the start button. Thanks.
Holding down the clock symbol has fixed it on first attempt. Thank you so much.
Hiya, you're very welcome. Glad you got it running again. Good luck with the appliance. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.